Lepo pozdravljeni, odvija se Mednarodna mladinska konferenca, ki je letos na temo sociale in revščine. Zakaj ravno ta tema?
Torej vsako leto prirejamo Mednarodno mladinsko konferenco na temo Evropskega leta, tokrat torej Evropsko leto boja proti revščini in socialni izključenosti skupaj z študentsko organizacijo Univerze v Mariboru in Mestno občino Maribor. Tako povabimo mlade, da se udeležijo dogodka v Mariboru. Letos smo sicer dodali posebno noto, smo povabili samo mlade novinarje, ravno v ideji, da jih osveščamo in dejansko izučimo v novinarski stroki.
Torej, omenili ste mlade novinarje. Menite, da je tudi v Mariboru že potreba po tem, da se mladi novinarji osveščajo?
Vsekakor. Mediji danes preveč gredo v smer komercialnih medijev in moče se premalo poudarka danes daje na sami informaciji.
Koliko mladih novinarjev pa se je zbralo in iz katerih držav?
Imamo 23 udeležencev iz 11 evropskih držav, to so Hrvaška, Srbija, Albanija, Madžarska, Ukrajina, Romunija, Bolgarija, tudi Francija. Nismo samo omejili na države Evropske unije, ampak smo tudi dodali morebitne države članice, države kandidatke, ker smo vseeno informacijska točka Evropske komisije, toliko da imamo neko povezavo.
Kakšen program pa ste jim vse pripravili? Verjetno je dnevni in večerni.
Tako, pri sestavi programa smo pazili, da ima tudi nekaj prostega časa, torej da pride v Maribor, da ima prosti čas ga tudi ogledati. Zvečer imamo družabni program, čez dan pa seveda predavanja.
I'm coming from Bulgaria. My name is Dobrijana, but right now I'm studying in Denmark journalism.
Why are you decided for studying journalism?
Well, what I love about journalism is that you have universal access to great events and famous people, but in the same time, you are not on the hotspot. So you get to know the celebrities and you get interviews with them. They are nice with you because they want to look nice in the interview after that. In the same time, you can write really nice articles. You're like the medium. That's why it's called media. The medium between the celebrities and the common people. And in the same time, it's not like being a politician and if you make a mistake, everybody hates you. No, you get full access to the best of the two worlds.
And how do you like the program about the conference?
It's really good. I like the lectures. I'm really interested in the topic poverty because nowadays we think in the European Union that we don't really have this kind of problems compared to Africa and Asia. Of course, they're minor, but still there are some minorities who live in poverty right in our background, for example, Roma people. So it's an important topic that we have to think of.
And what about Slovenia? Are you the first time here?
Yeah, it's my first time here. I'm so excited. I love to travel and I find Maribor really a nice, small touristic city.
Actually, I'm from Ukraine, from a city called Lviv, and I studied applied linguistics, but now I work in Lviv City Council in the Bureau of City Promotion. So I'm promoting Lviv as my job.
And what about Slovenia? Are you the first time here?
No, it's the second time in Slovenia. I like it really much. I've been to the same conference two years ago, and I really liked it. That's why I wanted to come. One more reason I wanted to come here because I really like Maribor, and I wanted to come and see it once again. And planning to go to Ljubljana also this time.